Powermatic PM1000 table saw honest review. Real results, zero regrets. You measure twice, push the board through, and it comes out just slightly off. Again, you blame the blade, the fence, maybe the wood, but deep down, you already know the real answer is the saw itself. A guy I know recut the same cabinet panel 4 times in one afternoon before walking out completely done. Type guilty if that is your weekend right now. Is your current saw quietly costing you your craft? Nobody says it out loud, but that suffocating feeling of outgrowing your equipment while pretending the next project will somehow be different is real, and it is exhausting. The fence drift, the vibration, the inconsistency, it all stacks up quietly until your confidence in the work disappears. But what if precision was actually simple? What if one machine handled all of it without drama? Stay right here, because this next part rewrites everything. Then I plugged in the Powermatic PM1000 table saw and everything got stupidly quiet. Not just sound quiet, confidence quiet. No second guessing the fence, no shimmy in the stock, no drift mid-cut. 6 things changed immediately and permanently. 1, the exclusive AccuFence locks with such total rigidity that your rip stays identical from inch 1 all the way to inch 52. 2, the Poly V-belt drive eliminates vibration so completely, your hands stop bracing and start guiding. 3, those 7-inch ergonomic hand wheels carry genuine momentum, making blade height and bevel adjustments feel like turning butter, not fighting machinery. 4, the precision ground cast iron surface is so flat, one verified user measured it at 0.002 inches out and called that a Powermatic win. 5, the bleed surround and dust collection hose keep your shop floor cleaner than you expect. 6, the hands-free power switch cuts the machine with a knee tap when your hands are buried in lumber. It was 2:47 a.m. Client deadline in 3 hours. I was completely cooked until the PM1000 ripped a full 72-inch rabbit in one clean, uninterrupted pass. Feel that. One pass, done. Nobody talks about the gear-driven miter with positive stops at 30 and 45 degrees in both directions. That one setting alone makes this machine quietly dangerous in the best way imaginable. Let the proof stack itself so high that doubt runs out of room to stand. Hours saved on recuts leads directly to clarity in your process, which compounds into doubled output, which produces finished work that genuinely shuts the room up when you carry it in. Powermatic officially states the PM1000 redefines the limits of design, innovation, and durability while plugging into the standard 115-volt outlet already in your shop. A Concord carpenter reviewed the gear-driven miter system with positive stops at 30 and 45 degrees in both directions and called it pretty slick, and that reviewer does not hand out compliments freely. Popular Woodworking confirmed the PM1000 packs a professional punch and is not overshadowed by its big brother, the PM2000. Independent analyst data from Amazon shows customers consistently report well-machined parts, stable performance, and confident out-of-box accuracy. @verified user said the table is flat, the fence is true, and the saw is perfectly aligned right out of the box. Best money I have ever spent on a saw. I personally watched someone assemble this entire machine alone in under 2 hours and walk away with a perfectly dialed table on the very first try. Which benefit hit hardest? Comment 1 for the 52-inch rip, 2 for the near-silent operation, or 3 for the 115-volt ease of install. Someone always asks whether 1 3/4 horsepower is really enough power. One verified user ripped a 72-inch rabbit in a single clean pass on the first try. That objection just answered itself, and probably feels a little embarrassing now. This is the one thing thousands message me about daily. Drop your question in the comments right now. The Powermatic PM1000 table saw does not just clean up your cuts, it cleans up your entire woodworking life. Your workflow, your confidence, your output, and the way your finished work looks when you hand it to someone who actually knows the difference. Join the ones who quietly upgraded their entire shop and never once looked back at what they were settling for before. First link in the description. I pinned it to the top because I am not letting you miss this. You already knew. Now go.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.